everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mirror images for free without any watermark. So firstly, open up the app layout and you will select an image that you want. I'm using Liza Koshy because she's a bomb. Scroll at the top to the end until you find the one with the 9 collages, I guess that's what you call it. And the ones on the left and right side, you're going to mirror them. Now, the ones on the top and bottom, you're going to flip them. Once you've done that, click save and then done. And now, you have a mirror imaged. You're welcome. Bye.